In this demo, we are going to see Microsoft Dynamics 365 marketing list. For a successful marketing campaign is to have a clear understanding of who your target audience is. This helps you develop key messages and identify the best channels with which to reach that audience, whether it is a direct email or phone call or whatever it is. Instead of contacting all your customers or prospects, when you narrow your target audience, whether it is by geography or past purchases, it will increase the relevance of your message. Relevant messages to correct targeted audiences will result in more leads. More leads means more customers, more closed sales, and more revenue. Once you do have some of your customers, you should be able to increase the customer retention rate. Now we will do all this in Dynamics 365 by creating marketing list. I'm going to create a new marketing list. Going to name it as static list. Here you can see list types. There are only two list types, dynamic and static. Static in the sense as its name suggests, it's just a static marketing list. Means user has to manually add members, has to manually manage the members. You will be able to add and remove the members in a static marketing list. Whereas in the dynamic, it's like by the time you create, you will be creating a select query. Whatever the records fall into that query will be automatically added into the marketing list, and the records which fall out of the query will all automatically removed from the marketing list. This is how static and marketing list works. So I'm going to create a static list. Purpose state Washington and Colorado. Targeted. Targeted has only three values. You have to choose one from the three: account, contacts, and race. You should be aware that by the time you created the list, you will not be able to modify the targeted type. So before you creating the list, you have to choose the correct record type as a targeted entity. Source, internal, so modified and cost. Locked, you can see here, locked in the sense if you are the only person who is going to modify this marketing list, you can lock the this marketing list. Whereas you have other users to modify the marketing list, you can choose it as well. So this is how it works. Description, you can give a short description about this marketing. So right now we are not able to add any members to this market because we have not yet saved. So we have to save the list. So now the plus button is available. So we're going to add members. We have four options available to manage a static list. Add using lookup, add using advanced define, add using remove using advanced define, evaluate using advanced define. So we are going through one by one. Add using lookup. This will actually open a lookup view for that particular record. So here users can manually select the records and he will be able to select the records and add it to the marketing list. You can remove also. Here we have the views default views for this particular entity, contact entity, system views, and this personal view. So I'm choosing this personal view. So we're going to select some Washington records. So I need to select and add. So these two records will be added to the marketing list. We're going to add records using advanced find. Add using advanced find. So here this will actually open a select query window. So you can choose the active contacts and I'm going to choose all the records from Washington state, and if I find, I will be able to, these are all the Washington records. So I have 8 records here. Back to the query. I am also wanted to add Colorado records to this marketing list. Actually, you have seen here, you can see here no records is available. This because by default, this will all the 3 selection filter criteria is worked under add group and group. Sorry. So we have to select these 2 filter criteria. Select row and mark it as R group. So here one of these state value with Colorado or Washington records will be viewed. Right now you can see 13 records, both Colorado and Washington. So you can even select particular records from this select query. By selecting add only selected members as known, or else by choosing the other option, all the members returned will be added in the marketing. So I'm going to add all the members to the marketing. So both the Colorado and the Washington records are added. Total 13 records are added to this marketing list. So I'm going to remove records using this advanced find. So we are going to remove. If we hit the find button, the members actually exist in this marketing list will be viewed. Only these 13 records will be viewed in this remove member window. You can select the records and remove, or you can even adopt for a remove all the members returned from this particular list. So I'm choosing a couple of records. I'm going to remove. So right now only 11 records will be available in the marketing list. The next option is manage using advanced find. Evaluate using advanced find. Continue. Here also we will have a find button. And only the 12 records, 11 records, as I mentioned, only the 11 records in this marketing list are viewed here. Here you can select which are the records only need to be kept in this marketing list. Previously is edited which are all the records removed from the marketing list. This is which of the records you want to keep. If you want to keep all the records in this marketing list, you can choose. I'm going to select only the selected records, update marketing. So only these 4 records will be in the marketing list right now. So as you can see, only 4 records. We just now finished this static marketing list. So we are going to create a dynamic marketing list. Dynamic contact state. As you mentioned, this is dynamic, targeted contact. So filter save your record. So as I hit this plus button, yeah, query window will be open. So I'm choosing all the active contacts. I'm going to choose only the California records. See here. Only 4 records are in California state. So I'm going to use query. So here the 4 records are added to this dynamic marketing list. If you wanted to edit, only you will be produced this query window. So other than this, you will not be able to edit. If you only you can change the query, and you will be having a different marketing list. This query will execute to add the members to this particular marketing list. I hope covered all pretty much in marketing list. Thanks for watching.